Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand and today we will go through class 9. Topic for today is 5 years in a job. Question: was Max looking at leaving the current job? To find the answer, watch the complete video. Do not forget to type your answers and thoughts around this video in the comment section below. Introduction: Max has been in the same company for almost 5 years now. He realized that he has completed 5 years in this job and these 5 years have been amazing for him. There have been lots of memories, learnings, networking and new friends during his stint. He feels surprised and proud while thinking how he had started his career and the way he has grown in this job. He feels happy to realize how his career has shaped up in these 5 years. Let's know his overall journey. Let's go through the conversation.
Pal, did you know I have completed 5 years in this company?
Wow, that's nice, Max.
I also just realized now I have 5 years of work experience.
That's great, Max.
Yes, pal, it's amazing.
Yes, Max, it is indeed amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you, pal.
Wishing you many more successful years in the company.
Yeah,
So, what are your plans for the future, Max?
I haven't planned much. I just want to keep working.
That is nice to hear. But I've been thinking around something.
You thought what, pal?
Nothing, Max, just generally.
Just what? Tell me, pal.
I was thinking that it's 5 years for you in this company.
Yes, but what?
I thought you will think of joining a new company.
Not at all, pal. I have not thought about it.
If you're happy with your growth and work, you should stay here for long, Max.
Yes, pal. I am satisfied with my growth.
Good. Nice to hear this, Max.
Yes, pal. I never think of it.
Nice, Max. I also never think of leaving the company.
But pal, I remember my friends.
Remember your friends means
My friends were asking me to switch this company.
why, Max?
They think I will get double the salary in a new company with my experience.
So, what did you say?
I did not react much.
And what did you think about it?
I do not want to leave a company just for money.
But, Max, don't you think money is important too?
Money is important, but I'm happy with what I have.
But Max, in a way, your friends are right that you may get a better opportunity in a new company
I know that, pal.
and you still don't want to leave this company.
Not at all. Pal, tell me how many years have you completed in this company?
Almost 6 years now.
So, why did you not leave this company? You too would get better salary.
I agree, Max.
Then, why did you not leave?
I'm happy with the kind of work I'm doing, Max.
It's the same with me.
Max, for me, work satisfaction is more important than money.
That's the point, pal. Even for me, work satisfaction is important.
But sometimes it does get boring and monotonous.
Every job at some point becomes boring or monotonous, pal.
But I find a reason to do something new each time I'm surrounded with these thoughts.
Yes, pal, that's how I also see it. We are humans. We get bored with same task easily. We should find a reason to be motivated always.
I feel that work satisfaction is more important than money, Max.
Yes, pal, I feel money gives you temporary satisfaction.
I agree, Max.
It is the work satisfaction that keeps me motivated as well.
Max, we are so similar in our thoughts.
Yes, pal, I do think so.
Our salary and position will grow in the same company if we continue to add value each day.
Yes, doing something more than usual work is important. Salary and position is a part and parcel of the good work you do.
I completely agree with you, Max.
Thank you, pal.
So you will retire from this company then?
I don't know, pal. How about you?
I will work here till the time my work is adding value to the company, Max.
So you mean you might think of leaving the company at some time?
Not intentionally, Max, but if the company wants me to,
But why will the company want you to leave?
there could be a lot of reasons.
Reasons? What reasons?
For example, if the company's business is down, or if the company wants to cut down on costs.
Why will they remove sincere employees?
It all depends on the circumstances and conditions, Max.
Circumstances?
Sometimes we as employees do not want to leave a company, but due to circumstances, we may be needing to leave the current job.
You mean not all will leave a company because of salary?
Yes, Max, that is correct. Nobody wants to leave a company intentionally sometimes. It's just the circumstances.
You mean sometimes it's company circumstances and sometimes an employee circumstance?
Yes, that is correct, Max.
I got your point, pal. Pal, but I think till then I am here to stay.
That's nice, Max.
But I agree, circumstances you never know.
Yes, Max.
Good day, pal.
Good day, Max. See you soon. Summary. Max was surprised to feel that he had completed 5 years in his job with the same company. He was also amazed to experience how time flew. He was happy to tell this to Pal. Pal tried testing Max to gauge if he was now looking to leave this company. However, she was surprised with this thought. Max never had a thought of leaving this company as he was very much happy working here. Pal was happy that their thoughts matched on this, as even Pal had completed 6 years with this company and had never thought of leaving it until the circumstances forced her to. Max too agreed that sometimes it's the circumstances due to which an employee leaves the company, and at other times it's the company which asks the employee to leave. But nonetheless, life doesn't end here. It's just a new beginning for employees. Friends, English is about learning carefully. English is about listening attentively. English is about responding appropriately. Catch the important words. Listen to the sentences carefully. Listen to these conversation classes repeatedly. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning!